freaking box to my channel. I am so excited, so excited, so excited, so excited. This one is called, are you ready for it? Workspace Spark. Hey guys, for those of you who are brand new, this is the channel you want to be for monthly subscription box unboxings. We do a variety of boxes. We try to do a brand new one every week. We have been super, super lucky. I have actually a good 4 or 5 brand new freaking boxes coming. So this is going to be so much fun because this is a brand new one. This is called workspaceSpark. It is a subscription box for your workspace, whether it be your office, home office, work office, what have you. On their website, if you go to workspacespark.com, you will see that you will receive 4 to 5 trendy hand-selected items such as notebooks and planners, desktop framed art, career books, stylish pens and pencils, productivity and tech tools, as well as access to exclusive members-only online career training articles and more. So this is definitely a different type of box to my channel, and I'm so excited because I do work a professional job. I do have a home office. I do utilize a lot of these different products that they say are in this box. So we will see if this box is awesome. workspaceSpark, you can choose your membership, complete your desk profile. They curate your box. $47.99 if you do the month-to-month plan. If you do this 6-month plan, you are actually billed monthly, $44.95. Maybe after seeing this box, you will be like, heck yes, I need that box in my life. So let's go ahead and see what's in this box. Okay, here we go. Let's open it. Ooh, looky, 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 looky. In the box, we have, ooh, this is a tablet and laptop stand. What? Okay, this says it has a $14.99 value. Let's open it up. Quick storage, portable and foldable, silicone non-slip laptop stand, or you can use it for your iPad or tablet, whatever you might have. So these flip out. This pops out as well. You can adjust to fit your tablet. Oh, that is super neat. So $14.99 for that. That is definitely worth the money for sure. And it says it also has a hollow heat dissipation too, so it won't burn up on you. This is like a leather bag. What's inside the bag, you say? It's actually called a leather cord organizer, $19.99 value. It says never lose your charger, earbuds, or other tech accessories with this stylish tech carrying case. Oh, wow, look at that. That is super awesome. And it actually has earbuds in it as well as a charger. Has a charger. It has a pair of earbuds as well, and a charging block, as well as a cord holder. Wow, that is super awesome. Oh my gosh, you can never have enough chargers. And what a nice idea to have it all in a case, because I know we lose a lot of our chargers and tech things around our house. So this is a super awesome idea.
A few moments later.
Okay, so when you open this little container up, you guys, look at all of these inspirational and motivational quotes right on here. And you can change them according to, if you want to change them daily or whatever, it's your choice. It's your life, your freaking choice. Okay, so this says it's not what we have in life, but who we have in our lives that matters. Aww. So you can change them out daily, whatever. There are a ton of them in here. And you just slide them right back into the box and display what you want to display. I like that. That is super awesome. Words of Wisdom Inspiration Edition. Very cool. $19.99 value on that. All right, underneath the confetti, we have two more things it looks like. We have a pen. Look at that. It's a Japanese gel pen, $2 value. Yes, I see that. There's a bunch of Japanese on there I cannot read. No smears, no smudges, no globs with this amazing Japanese gel pen. I like gel pens. They're legit. Finally, the last item in the box. Look at that! This is a sun and rain journal, $14 value. Use this beautiful journal to jot down all your ideas and thoughts. Okay, let's open this up. This is so freaking pretty. It has like a gold foil. Look at that, look at that, look at that. So pretty, and it says on the front, through sun and rain, flowers bloom all the same. And it's just a basic notebook, but it is gorgeous. It is so gorgeous. And it has a little bookmark thingy-mabobber inside where you can keep track of where you're at. So, very, very nice. This is probably one of the nicer journals that I've received. $14 for this. So that concludes the actual unboxing of the workspacepark box. We're gonna go ahead and do a quick recap, and then you know what we do, guys. You freaking know what we do. I'm not gonna lie, that was freaking fun. That was so much fun. And let's do a quick review for you guys. First of all, we've got the journal. I love that. We got the inspirational wooden box with all of those fun inspirational quotes inside. Perfect for your desktop, perfect for by your bedside, wherever you want to be reminded of some positive words. Boom. Then we've got the leather case that also had like earbuds inside of it and had a charger block, a cord organizer all inside this leather bag. And then we had the laptop and tablet holder, the pen, the Japanese pen. All of those items for $47.99. Let's go ahead and do a rating. That's right. It's time, guys. Rate that box. Rate that box. Rate that box. Rate that box. This is how we do. This is how we freaking do this. We rate the box based on a scale of 1 to 10. 1 being stay away, or 10, yes, queen, buy this freaking box today. We rate based on the overall presentation of the box, the packaging, the description of the items, all of those things. Also, the variety of the items and the price point of the items. All of those factors contribute to the overall boxing score. I'm gonna be real with you all. This was so much fun to unbox. And I don't know if it's because it's a different type of box to my channel, or if it's just the items are just so different. I don't know. The price point, it's $47.99 for all of these items. That includes the shipping. Honestly, I think that it might be a little bit highly priced. $47.99 for all of these things might be a little high, but I love the variety. I love the packaging. Love the way that it was presented. and it was a lot of fun. It was so much fun. So, and I honestly think that I'm going to be able to use each and everything in this box, which is super important. So, we're gonna go ahead and rate this box. Are you guys ready? What do you think this box should get? Hit that drum roll, please. We are gonna give the workspace box a 7. A 7, a 7, a 7, a 7. Workspace you got a 7, you got a 7. A 7 for workspace. What do you guys think? I'm gonna leave all of these items down in this description area. You know, that's how I do, how I roll. And I want to let you guys all know that I appreciate you, and if you appreciate me and this video, give me a like, hit that subscribe button, notification bell, and do a little dance with me. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you all in the next one.